वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, ये है हमारा इस सीजन का आखिरी एपिसोड, द लास्ट एपिसोड, बट डेफिनेटली नॉट द लीस्ट। इसलिए मैंने सोचा जाते जाते आपको एक ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट दिखाऊं जहां खाना खा के आप अपनी उंगलियां चाटते रह जाएंगे। अब आप सोच रहे हैं व्हाई एम आई सो कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दिस रेस्टोरेंट। उसका कारण ये है कि द हेड शेफ एट दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज समवन जिसके साथ आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 3 years. I've seen him grow with every single restaurant and he's worked very, very passionately on this one. उनका नाम है भरत भट्ट। Now, इस रेस्टोरेंट का नाम क्या है is the big question, right? रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है महक and महक not only stands for fragrance, but here it's got a whole meaning to itself, जो मैं आपको बताऊंगा अंदर चल के। Mehek is at the Meridian Village at the Le Méridien Hotel, Dubai. This newly opened restaurant is a refreshing change with its wide sitting area and brilliant light coming from outside. The restaurant also has 2 private dining areas. One has been painted nice and bright with the use of lots of colors, and the other has been given a very classy feel. I am seated comfortably at Mehek, and the first thing I've got to do is tell you what Mehek stands for. Now, Mehek here is spelled as M-A-H-E-C, and it stands for Modern, Authentic, Hindustani, Evolved Cuisine. Now, quite a different meaning that for a word called Mehek, जिसका असली मतलब होता है fragrance. And I'll tell you how it translates into their menu. They've got a very concise and precise menu. जैसे कि for their non-veg main course options, they've got about 12 to 15 choices to choose from. But these are good choices. What particularly impresses me in this menu are their starter options. Now, these are very different, very innovative starters, and this you will realize when you see my order for the starters.
Mehek stands for Modern, Authentic, Hindustani, Evolved Cuisine. That's why our tagline is a new altitude to an Indian cuisine, where our authentic food is served in modern style. People come to this restaurant just because of ambience, a good selection of 180 wines, plus the food which is greatly served in a modern style.
For starters, I ordered herb marinated tandoori chicken. Alright, different did I say for my starters? Different it is. This is herb marinated tandoori chicken. अब आपने green looking chicken तो कई बार खाई होगी, आप सोचेंगे तो वैसा ही है, but उसमें जनरली यूज किया जाता है कोरिएंडर और पुदीना। इसमें उसके साथ साथ बेसिल का इस्तेमाल किया गया है। अब इंडियन फूड में बेसिल का इस्तेमाल बहुत ही रेयरली किया जाता है, थाई फूड में इसका ज्यादा इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, एंड दिस इज अ टेस्ट दैट वन आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ, टू आई वांट टू ट्राई ऑन अ तंदूरी चिकन। Now, tandoori chicken, one of the most common items in the tandoori menu from India, but presented and brought to you in such a different way. Now, this had a taste that you've not tasted in your regular tandoori chicken. And आपने tandoori chicken खाई होगी always with हरी चटनी. Try it with sour cream. Points have to be given to the chef in the way he's made this. This is absolutely fabulous. खा के आपको मजा आ जाएगा. And time हो गया कि मैं चेक करूं अपने समोसे. And ये समोसा है with a difference. And assorted samosas. Now by different I meant इस समोसे में स्टफिंग है साबूदाने की, इस समोसे में है कैरेट्स, पीनट्स एंड पोटैटोज, और ये जो समोसा है इसमें है स्पिनिच और चीज, एंड दिस इज सर्व्ड विथ ढोकला चटनी। ना ढोकला चटनी समथिंग आई हैव नेवर हर्ड, ढोकला खाया है कई बार, बट यहाँ इन्होंने ढोकले की चटनी बना दी है। Here's my samosa.
You can start from the selection of appetizer, which we have vegetarian in the main course. Vegetarians, you can get assorted samosas, you can get assorted scallops. You have a nice selection of lamb, which you have lamb chops, lamb rogan josh from north, and a lot of dishes in terms of biryanis. You can have some chicken biryani, prawn biryani, a varied selection of food.
Done with my starters and I am so very satisfied. Chicken ke baare mein to I've told you already. Here's something about the samosas. Very interesting, very different filling. And this dhokla chutney takes the concept of chutney or dip to another level. This is something that you must try.
For main course, I ordered Malwani prawns, and zucchini bhuna.
All right, so here I have very, very interesting looking main course for myself. आहा, मजा आ गया। झींगा खाओ तो ऐसा खाओ, वरना मत खाओ। ऑल्सो फॉर द वेजिटेरियंस, आहा, क्या खाना था, मजा आ गया। आहा, अब मजा खत्म नहीं हुआ। अगर आपको लग रहा है कि अब तो हो गया खाना, असली सरप्राइज अभी बाकी है।
And this is my dessert, chocolate surprise.
Now this was a chocolate ball and within it was Thandai foam. Wow. Marvelous. What a taste this is.
It's a very cozy place. We have a family, private dining room for a family. We do have a romantic tables for couples. We do have a sommelier room where you can have a wine tasting with the food pairing.
This brings us to the end of our season. हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते नहीं पर 2 महीनों बाद। तब तक याद रखिए, लाइफ में हमेशा छुट्टी हो या छुट्टी नहीं हो, नो सवाल, नो डाउट, सबका सॉल्यूशन वीकेंड आउट।